friends, in this video I am going to show you all how to mend a cut slipper. The materials needed for this is blue color, since this is a blue slipper, blue color thread, a scissors and a needle, a thick needle like this, but not very long, medium size needle, thick needle. That's all. Let's get our work started. The first step is I've taken 8 layers of this blue thread and I've sewed it in the needle. Join both ends together and make a strong knot. Now take the slipper from down. You see the place center where that make a drill, make a hole, exact the place where it is cut, that place. Pull it nicely. See that the thread, both the threads together. Behind you can see little bit of, you leave it loose. Then drill a hole inside this. Then similarly on the side of it, drill it again. Keep doing gently so that the needle will not break. Now you can see after 2 minutes of struggle, you can see the thread out now. Pull both the sides, the threads tightly. The reason why I put the knot outside is to tie it up outside. Because when you tie it inside, it will hurt your legs, fingers. Now tie it tightly like this. You can put one more knot. I put 3 knots. Now same way, in the same place, press the needle once again. The same manner. Double check, double tighten up so that your now you can see the second time also I put it and brought it. See the finish? It's a clean finish. Now try to put knots. Another 3 knots. Already you put first time 3 knots. Second time also you have sewed and put. Now 6 knots altogether. Some more knots if you want. Then cut it gently. This is how the finished looks. This will come nearly for 3 to 4 months. It depends upon your use. This is a daily use. Daily use, you can come at more than 3 months. If you like this video, subscribe it.